Hello and welcome back. I'm presuming you've gone back and you've done your viewing of the tutorial using my tutorial of the tutorial to help you. So let's look at the questions. There's two questions. Let's see what they are. Question 1. The spreadsheet below contains the U.S. federal budget data. Examine the content of the spreadsheet, which provides total federal outlay and spending on natural resources and the environment 41 through 2018 in millions of dollars. Create a line graph in your spreadsheet program by following the accompanying steps. If you're not able to do this, create a sketch by hand. Did you create a graph of the total federal budget? Actually, we've already done that. You should have done this during the tutorial. So, did you create a graph of the total federal budget? Okay, total federal budget. And we can get back into that by doing an Excel. Now note, this time, everything is in the vertical. So let's try my trick before, where I used to highlight, wrong one. Highlight the data I want, used to do control. Okay, let's see what this gets us. Will this get us with this on the x-axis and this on the y-axis? Let's find out. Let's do a chart, a line chart. Ooh, no, it didn't. It did not quite work that way. I wonder why. Plus, if I lose my data, maybe it was because we skipped that column. Let's do side by side. Nope, no difference. Here they plot the year, and here they plotted the for the budget outlay. All right, so that doesn't work. So it looks like we have to do the old-fashioned way. In which we have to recognize that these are the years from years starting at 1941 of course this is the budget in millions of US dollars. And also remember, kind of spread this out a little more. I always have to play this a little bit myself. Vertical axis crosses. I think it's done in the labels for every 10 of them. There we go. So every 10 years, year 1, year 11 is too much for you. Every 5 years. So remember, 1 is 1941, which makes 76. Well, add 76 to 41, which would be 2017 plus 1, 2018. Yeah. Oh, here we go. So we created a graph by using a spreadsheet. Yay! Okay. The spreadsheet below contains U.S. federal budget. It's question 2, by the way. Okay. Provides total federal outlay and spending on natural resources from 41 through 2018 in millions of dollars. Graph total federal budget included. Okay. Oh, does that look at what we just did here? Yep, it looks real familiar. So overall, this graph is, well, going left to right. So it's increasing. Graph appears to be, what my choices, for the first 25 years. Steadily increasing, fairly flat, or decreasing. I say fairly flat. Then it is most steadily decreasing, most steadily increasing, or fairly flat. Well, I would say that is most steadily increasing, with only a few dips and peaks, or many large dips and peaks. Looks like only a few. Check answers. Answer is correct. Oh, should have kept it up. So let's see, where in the graph and for what years is there interesting or unusual activities? The graph is unusually flat for a short period around 1950, which would be in this region. Actually, it's usually flat for quite a bit of that. So that has possibilities. The graph rises at an unusually high pace for a short period around year 1990, which would be around here. It doesn't look like it's going at unusually high. This I would consider unusually high. Around here, no. Graph rise for a short period around 1970. 1970 is around here. I don't see anything unusual happening there. The graph falls for a short period around 2010. That would be around here. (2010). It's not falling, but it goes flat. So for this one, I'm going to go with A. It's either A or D. Okay, they chose D. So they must be really just keying in on that little aspect, that little dip. I'm not sure I fully agree with the way they described it. That's the fortunate thing of having a little bit of opportunity to correct yourself. And that is the questions for Part 7D preview assignment. So now go back and do them yourself. You may have the same questions, you may get similar questions, but you see how I approach them and how I try to logic my way through some of these questions. And once that's completed, do the 7D workbook tutorial using Stephanie's tutorial guide to help you through it. Make a PDF copy of somehow of your work from your workbook, submit it, and then that should prepare you for doing Part 7D practice assignment. With that, I'll see you next time for 7E preview tutorial.